Now I've seen a lot of posts on Reddit about purchasing used gaming accessories from GameNation website. Questions about the experience and the overall quality of the products that they provide. Now I needed a PS5 controller because my previous one, which I used for around 2.5 years, started having stick drift issues. I also had a few PS5 games that I wasn't planning to play anymore, so I sold those on GameNation website and brought myself a used controller in the ice blue color, which costed me around 4,400. Before unboxing and testing it out, I just want to give a disclaimer. This video is not sponsored at all. This is purely for people who are thinking of selling or purchasing games and accessories through GameNation website. After placing an order, I received the controller within 2 days. So let's begin with the unboxing. Now this is the package that I have received. Inside, there's no official PS5 controller box. It's just wrapped in a bubble wrap. The packaging looks decent, but I would have preferred a proper box as well. Now coming to the controller itself, the condition is actually quite impressive. It honestly looks almost brand new. Let's check the back label. Now this appears to be a 5th generation controller based on the 2nd digit of the serial number. Now I also scanned the QR code and I was able to find the 17-digit serial number. Even by the feel of it, it's quite evident that this is a genuine product that I have received. In terms of the condition, all the buttons feel tactile and responsive. The analog sticks are also firm and don't seem heavily used. Overall, the build quality feels solid and I couldn't find any scratches or dent on the controller as well. Alright, now let's jump on the PS5 and see if it performs as good as it looks. Now I was able to easily pair it with my PS5. There's no stick drift issue, as you can see. It is working perfectly fine and so are all the buttons. Let's test it with the Astro Playroom to check the button responsiveness, haptics and adaptive triggers. Now as you can see that the buttons are very responsive, even the haptics works great and the rumble motor feels just like my old controller, delivering accurate vibration feedback. Now the D-pad is also responsive and works absolutely fine. I also tested the speakers on the controller and it works perfectly. The adaptive triggers are functioning perfectly and the motion sensor works great. All in all, after testing it out thoroughly, I can actually say that this is performing like a brand new controller. Now I've tested this controller over a few days extensively across multiple games. On a full charge, I'm getting around 9 to 10 hours of battery life, which is really good. Personally, I feel that I made the right decision since I didn't have to spend the extra money on the controller. But should you go for it? Now if you have games that you want to sell and use that credit to get a controller, then I think that this is a great option, especially considering the quality that they provide. However, if you are planning to buy it with full cash, I would recommend spending an extra 1500 and getting a brand new one from the official store with full warranty. Because the biggest downside here is that you only get 1 month warranty. While given that it is an original product, you likely won't face issues, though it's still a drawback when compared to buying a new one. Overall though, my experience of selling games and purchasing this controller from GameNation has been really positive and you should try it too.